Well, in 1983, when Kapil Dev's team won the World Cup, there was one Sachin Tendulkar who got inspired by that, and you know what happened? A similar story played out in 2008 when Abhinav Bindra won his gold medal, and a young girl was watching it, inspired by it, and today she's standing on she was sitting and she had the gold medal around her. That's Avni. With me is the gold medalist from the Paralympic Games, Avni, and her coach, Shuma Shirur. Congratulations to you both. Avni, tell us about the moment getting the gold medal and being on the podium.
I was just blank for some moment, and it was like so overwhelming. I was so happy, and I just looked at her and I was like, yeah. And yeah, it's like we can't describe this feeling in words. So I'm so grateful and thankful to all of you, for praying for me and supporting me. Thanks a lot.
Avni, you're just 19 years old, and to be so young and standing on the podium, people spend their entire life to be there, and you can ask Shuma, who's your coach, how much time it takes. What is it that is next for you? Because I know you're participating in 3 more events. How difficult is it to refocus?
I'm not fully celebrating. I have my focus on other 3 events for now. And I'm just, I will just gonna give my 100% to the 3 events also. And it's just living in the present. So I'm just, thinking of shooting one match at a time and not thinking about today's medal. I don't want to get into my head. I just want to focus. And
Shuma, tell me, what is so special about Avni, since you have trained her, you've been with her for a while now?
I think with Avni, of course, she wants to learn, and she's always willing to go the extra mile. And one of those shooters, if you tell her to do something, double of that. So it's always when you have a very hardworking shooter, and who also on her part was extremely well prepared in her own mind, and she wanted to do it. And my only job was really to show her the way. And I think that's one of the biggest assets that Avni comes with. It's not about you don't have to start motivating them to do things. She's already motivated. Showing her the way. So that's the biggest asset.
Shuma, comparisons would obviously be drawn. You have seen Abhinav Bindra's career very closely. You've seen Avni very closely. What are the similarities or differences that you have noticed so far?
I think it's the biggest similarity I would say is a little bit of an obsession to to getting better with the game, to getting that feeling right, to getting everything in order. It's that obsession where you're just living it and preparing for it every moment until today. So I think that's the similarity between both of them.
Avni, today it took you a little while to shoot the first series. We were watching it, and it seemed it was little longer than usual you take. What was the matter? Was it a matter with your equipment?
Yeah, there were some technical issues, but I just, took my focus and gave my 100%. And then it all came back into place.
Mm-hmm. Let me ask you about, beginning to shoot in 2015. What was the reason that, you took to shooting? Because archery perhaps was also one of your option. And what really happened before that, you taking to para sports, if you could tell my viewers?
My father always wanted me to do some kind of sport. So he took me to the archery and shooting range, and I felt more connected towards shooting, especially rifle shooting. So I chose it. Here I am.
Shuma, I know Shumba, I know there are many celebrations awaiting you and Avni in there in Tokyo, and when you come back in India as well. I'll let you go now, and all the best, Avni, for the rest 3 events that you are going to be shooting in. Perhaps we will see more medals coming from you in this edition of the Tokyo Olympic Games. Thank you for joining with me.